What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to be talking all about the markets, the volatility, the crash in the crypto sector. I'm going to be talking about a few crypto-related stocks that I'm interested, a couple of which I do actually own, but I just want to talk about the crypto crash, my thoughts on it, where we go from here, and these are your market minutes. This is your daily recap, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Of course, if you do support the channel and all the videos I make, kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second at a time, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, about the crypto crash. Are you buying any stocks? Are you waiting it out? Is this just the start? Where do we go from here, guys? Drop those comments. Let's get straight into it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is comment of the day. And by the way, I will be dropping a video on Departures stocks as well. We will have some more sponsored content on the way for Departures Capital starting tomorrow, a very new and exciting royalty company, and we will be dropping their CEO interview the following Tuesday. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, Corey Schwartz, this video is all about MindMed and their earnings. Good video, Aaron. I'm in it long and extremely bullish in regards to where MindMed will end up, and we will be talking about MindMed on Departures stocks today and how awesome the stock has been performing despite some recent volatility, not fully being able to understand some of the moves. But yeah, Dr. Biz long hold, unfortunately, whoever's holding in 2023 will be thanking their younger self for not selling. Anyone who is investing in this stock should realize it is a long-term strategy. What they are doing will really alter the future of mental health treatment. I'm in it for the long haul. That's new for you, Danny. Brendan M., please keep us updated with any news you find on Aftermath Silver. Curious as to why they're selling off with silver overall on the rise and physical demand, the highest it's been in several years. Great question. I actually did pick up some shares today around 45 cents. We will be talking about that on Departures stocks today. So if you are tuning in and you want coverage on the precious metal sector, this video is going to be all about crypto and the crypto related stocks that I'm taking a look at today, simply just commenting on the crypto market. But on Departures stocks, which is our other channel, I'll be talking all about gold stocks and psychedelic stocks. We'll group those two together. Although I will briefly mention in today's video when we're talking about crypto, we'll talk about the correlation between crypto and gold. But anyways, guys, just two more quick comments. Lowy, I saw comments today that people shocked they weren't making a profit yet. Sellers don't know what they invested in, and that is the harsh reality of MindMed. A lot of people, they hear about a stock and they buy it. They don't do any research, and then they sell it, and it is what it is. That's the environment that we're in. Ian, what's up, Ian? Aaron enjoyed the video. Very much well said. Wanted to ask you if there's a reason on your charts that you do not show Victoria Gold. The mine is in its second year of operation. It has done me very well. It allowed me to take some cream off the top. The first year had high of $18 and showing signs that it may do it again. Tapper light, my friend. I'll have to add that to the of course watch list. So Victoria Gold. So in terms of our final mining watch list, there you go, Ian. We have added the stock, and of course it's up 4% today. So that's it for the comment of the day. Let's take a look at the markets and what happened. So today, very, very interesting. Growth was actually outperforming value stocks, and this is kind of something that I said towards the end of. I'm not saying I've got the crystal ball, I've got the salt rock lamp, but I'm not always right. If I was always right, I probably wouldn't be making YouTube videos talking about the stock market. But anyways, we're getting a little bit of a rotation into growth versus those value stocks. We are seeing the Dow and S&P sell off, and the NASDAQ very close, 3.9 points to being in the green, down just 0.03%. So we've got a quick article. S&P 500 ends well above lows on chip-led rebound in tech. The S&P 500 ended lower Wednesday, but cut losses into the close as the chip-led rebound in tech helped soothe concerns that the Federal Reserve is starting to think about broaching the bond tapering topic at upcoming meetings. So let's see, what did the 10-year yield do today? And don't worry, guys, we're going to be getting straight into crypto. 2% up on the 10-year yield. What happened to the dollar today? We are checking on the dollar. The dollar is up 0.49%. And in terms of commodities, gold is essentially flat at 1870 with some awesome support, yet silver is down 1.78%. So like I said, today's all about crypto, guys. So let's jump to the cryptos. And I have been following cryptos very, very closely. Bitcoin down 29% over the last 7 days. It did touch 30,000 and bounce. We'll pull up the charts real quick for that. Ether took it on the chin even worse, down 38%. Beyonce coin, Cardano down 12%, actually didn't do too bad. Dogecoin down to 31 cents, down 26%. When it started to tank that night when Elon was going on to SNL, I pretty much, in my head, I called the top. I didn't really say anything about it on social media, but in my head, I was just like, yeah, no, that's probably the top. Usually when everyone's expecting something to happen and the opposite happens, yeah, it is what it is. One very interesting, thing is USD coin. It's a stable coin, and therefore, we didn't see much of a difference. Just that's the interesting thing about stable coins. Remember, TechX did take a beating these past couple days, but they did launch a CADX, which is a stable coin for the Canadian dollar. So right now, with this shakeup in volatility in the crypto space, of course, this is the nature of crypto. It's very, very volatile. And anyone investing into crypto, probably knows that. I hope they know that. And unfortunately, moves like this, when something drops 30% in a day, there are investors who lose lots of money, especially the inexperienced ones or the ones that, are over leveraged. So if any of you guys took any losses today, I'm sorry to hear that, unfortunately. I swear we saw Bitcoin get all the way down to 30,000. Let's pull up the chart here. I just want to do a quick analysis on Bitcoin. Yeah, so we got down to almost 30,000. It's bounced back pretty heavily. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised now if we kind of see what happens, trade in this range, but ultimately put in a floor around 30,000. I think that this correction was long overdue. We're going to get some volatility. I would say Bitcoin's probably going to trade between 30 to 40,000 for the next little while. Put in that bull-shaped consolidation. One thing I have said was, when it comes to the crypto markets, unfortunately, a period of slow and steady declines, consolidation, that's going to shake out a lot of these highly speculative, highly active crypto whatever traders who want to make that 10x a week, which is unrealistic and unsustainable. But to be honest, that's what I think is going to happen right now. It's obviously the trend is broken, at least for Bitcoin and a lot of the major cryptos. But that doesn't mean we might not see a substantial recovery. Let's look at the charts for Ethereum. Ethereum's down 27% today, almost down $1,000 alone. But it's not that bad for every crypto. Once again, this is not financial advice. Ethereum did get all the way down below $2,000, so that is a substantial drop today. So we hit basically around 1930, bounced. I think that Ether is probably going to trade anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500. That's the range I'm giving it. And if it loses that, I'm no technical analysis expert, but 1,500 to 2,000. So I think now is a matter of consolidation. We'll see what happens over the next couple trading days. We are going to get volatility. It was a sharp bounce today, not for the crypto-related stocks. However, let's quickly go over those crypto-related stocks. We're not going to spend too much time on this video because we are making 2 videos today. But now let's quickly talk about those crypto-related stocks. TechX down to 65 cents today. Neptune Digital Assets. Those are the 2 stocks we're going to focus on. But first, we're quickly going to cover Hive Blockchain, Hut 8, and Riot Blockchain. I'm not really into those crypto mining stocks anymore. Hive has already pulled back substantially from those highs of almost $7. 52-week highs of $7.25. So it's hard to say where Hive goes from here. If the crypto market continues to drop and does go into somewhat of a bear market, then you could expect it to continue to fall. But by the looks of it right now, somewhere around 250, Hive looks like it may find some support. But don't forget, it has seemed to be downtrending it seems to have been downtrending over the last little while. Now, let's take a look at HUT8. Same thing for HUT8, and essentially the same thing for Riot blockchain. So of the miners, I haven't looked at these in a while. You know, they've made some substantial progress, more than likely, in their business since I've talked about them. The stock prices have risen dramatically, but those would be my top 3 stocks to take a look at if I was interested in the crypto mining business, which I'm not, because I mean, okay, if it's an environmentally friendly company, which, you know, I'd need to do more research on these, then maybe, but I'm just not a fan of that aspect of the business right now. But 2 stocks that I do have and I am interested in, TechX, you know, being a fairly large position in my portfolio. I'm interested in the crypto asset broker side of the business. I've always talked about that. And then we have Neptune Digital, which we have done one sponsored video on. But feel free to check out these ones. Neptune Digital has pulled back substantially from almost just over $2 down to 64 cents. So could it fall further? Totally. But this was one that I did pick up a little bit of today, as well as TechX. Now, I've got a bunch of TechX around 50 cents. So I wanted to add a little bit more to this one. It ran up substantially, hit highs of $1.68, and here we are at 65 cents. Overall, though, you know, if we take a look at the chart here, just pulling up, let's pull up the 45-minute chart. Now, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but, you know, so far, you know, TechX has bounced off of, it got as low today as like the low 50s, 54, 55 cents or mid 50s. But we'll see if we get a bounce in these stocks. I wouldn't be surprised if this company did bounce sometime soon, just because it's sold off so dramatically. As to, you know, my thoughts, I would like to add this into the portfolio, you know, the recent shares that I've purchased, but I'm potentially considering a swing trade because I don't know how long the gains are going to last in this sector. I hope they hold, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll see how it performs over the next couple of weeks. That's my take on crypto. What are my thoughts? I don't know. I want to see how crypto trades over the next couple of days. If it continues to dump, if the volatility, you know, kind of levels out, I'll feel a little bit better about things. But right now, I'd be very cautious. I'd take a wait and see approach, and I would not be, you know, okay. So if you have full conviction and you're buying the dip like crazy, all the power to you. My videos are never financial advice, but one thing I did want to say was, you know, I've seen the way crypto reacts, and back in 2018, maybe totally different from now, but I started piling into crypto when it started to pull back, and I thought it was going to keep on going up, and it was a very painful 2 years, or year and a half. So anyways, guys, all I'm saying is be cautious, and yeah, let's get into the other video. So head on over now to Departure Stocks, where I talk all about MindMed, psychedelics, and gold and silver stocks and what happened today for those, along with some growth stocks. So thank you so much for watching. Always remember, Departure's capital and Departure's stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.